My name's Kieran McMenamin. I'm the Managing Director of our little company called Blue Tongue Pools. We specialise in concrete swimming pools. We use OneSteel Reinforcing, and our engineers spec the steel fairly extensively. All of our pools are double steeled, an industry term, where we put a lot more steel in our pools, make our walls a lot thicker than the common industry standard. Blue Tongue Pools is a boutique pool construction company. We design and we construct. OneSteel pool steel is, from my experience, the most malleable steel we've used. It's easy to work with, it bends quite easily. We find with OneSteel that the service is excellent. At the moment we're in a little estate called Camden Park. It's a little offshoot of the epicentre of Camden. Probably got 6 or 8 pools under construction here at the moment. As you can see, we're in a site that has been filled extensively. We've got some magnificent views, but from a construction perspective it's a difficult site to work with. So we've had to incorporate the design concept and bring the pool in amongst the living quarters of the house. We've had to build the pool up out of the ground. We've had to pier it extensively, and we've had to use extensive amounts of steel to control the construction process. This is a 7 by 3 metre pool with a fairly large beach area, and we've got a big 900 bond beam around the pool, which essentially ties it into the house. There is a control joint, as you can see, between the house and the pool, so 2 structures are separate by that control joint. We don't want the house movement to affect the pool. Completely independent in the structural design of the pool, although it looks like they're all tied in. In terms of the structure, the load-bearing capacity of a concrete swimming pool, we can't afford any movement whatsoever. We're going to fill a swimming pool with water, and the water's going to be the most level part of the whole job. So we can't afford to lose a couple of millimetres of sinkage or movement. So the pool's designed to carry an extensive load, up to 100 tonnes in these little pools. And so the importance of that foundation, the piering process and the steel structure is paramount in building a structure that will not fail. And a catastrophic failure is a 3 mil loss in level. So whilst the house could quite often move around, a concrete pool isn't allowed to. The pool steel acts as a support mechanism for the concrete. It's obviously the skeleton of the whole job. So quite often you might get a shrinkage crack through a swimming pool during construction. That's when the pool steel comes into play. It controls any cracking through the concrete and gives that concrete structural strength. In concrete swimming pools we use a product called S12S, which is 12 mil corrugated soft bar. We use that because ability to bend it around the corners of a pool. We pride ourselves at Blue Tongue Pools. We're selling ourselves on building the best construction that we possibly can, but we pride ourselves on being quick. If we're going to be there, we're there. In terms of Blue Tongue Pools and our selected suppliers, we're very loyal to our manufacturers and to our suppliers. We expect that in return. We get that loyalty from OneSteel. We use an office at Narellan that I've used for years and years and years, and they've been fabulous. They sort of help me out when I need help. The communication's excellent. The boys and girls working in the shop are excellent. So absolutely, I can't see in the near future us needing to outsource another supply company. We're very happy with the product that we're getting and the service that we're getting from OneSteel Reinforcing.